There we go. All right, let's get right into it. And on my TikTok, it says that there's nobody watching the stream, but like usually there people is, but it's probably just bugged out. Okay, is the okay is the what is it? Is the camera blurry or is the camera what is it? Um, okay, I think it's fine. Maybe it's just me. But let's get right into it. We go from like I said, I'm gonna be trying to try every day. Obviously, try to get better every single day. So, let's get right into it. So we go from external range liquidity to internal range liquidity. So I'm gonna go from strat. We go from step one, internal range liquidity to external range liquidity. 2, 15-minute. 15-minute liquidity. Actually, two. This is 3. 2, market maker models. Identify a market maker models. Inducement? I don't know how to use inducement, bro. That's the thing. Like, I keep getting faked out. I don't know how to stop that. I keep getting faked out. 5 or 4. Enter off 1 minute or enter off BPR or enter off IFVG or CIZ. Both would be good. This is the strategy that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it or how I'm going to be using it. All right, is that cool? We're back in business, baby. Oh yeah, because I will not be streaming tomorrow morning because I have to go do something. I have a job thing I have to go do. So if that's okay with you guys. How I've been trading? I've been trading for about 2 years. I've been trading for about 2 years. I've been doing ICT for only about a year though. Only about a year. Market maker model is basically okay. So this is what a market maker model is. So this is what it is. So a market maker let's do sell model, right? A market maker sell model is basically here we have highs generated, hit a point of interest, come up, sweep, come up, same thing. This is what a market maker. This is actually a market maker buy model. Excuse me, market maker buy model, and a market maker sell model is the same thing. Yeah, the market maker buy sell model is the same thing. It's vice versa. So if I could flip this, that would be nice, but I can't flip it for some reason. We want to learn more from that smart guy in your Discord. So you guys are wondering, where is he at? Everyone's been asking, where is 6 at? He left the Discord. He said that there's no point in teaching anybody in stuff. There's no point, like, he's not here to just give out gems, and he is not able to just go ahead and do whatever. I don't know. It was just some yeah, let me see. Let me see if I can find the message. I'll just tell you guys what he said. He said something. He said something around. He said something along like uh. We'll see. He said he cannot be a helping hand in this instance. It's impossible to teach discretion. Um, he said those live calls won't help anyone, to be honest, and he's not going to be the catalyst behind someone becoming profitable. He's not going to be the main reason why someone becomes profitable. There's an element of discretion with these concepts that you can't teach, and the patterns that can be learned by anyone, even the biggest retard. So he's just like saying you got to just able to just go through it. You feel me? But yeah, so he left the Discord. So he just I still have contact with him. Obviously, I'm going to keep like just talking to him. But you know, but he left the Discord. No, this is futures. Okay, so let's get right into it. Like I said, you want to see internal range liquidity to external range liquidity. But what do we get here first? We get external range liquidity. We sweep out external range liquidity. So, am I expecting shorts? Potentially. But for these shorts to be valid, is there a higher time frame PD array? Oh, is there a hold on, actually? Yeah, is there a higher time frame PD array to our left that can make us go shorts? Yes. We have an unmitigated fair value gap over here. A 4-hour unmitigated 4-hour fair value gap. So, shorts look really, pretty decent here. We ended up coming up, sweeping out all these highs too. We have a 4-hour fair value gap. So, can we see shorts? Yes, we can, but we're not in that range yet. We're not in that range yet. So, I'm still going to look for longs to target these 4-hour fair value gaps. So, therefore, I'm going to go ahead and be longs. As you saw, this is like a pretty decent market maker sell model if we get a potential to the downside here. So let's get right into it. Here, I'm gonna fast forward a little bit. Like I said, I'm longs. I'm longs until we tap these gaps. So we came down to this 15-minute fair value gap here, or this 5-minute fair value gap here. I'm gonna wait. So, if we do not get it, I'm still looking to longs to these gaps here. I do realize that we swept at this high, but we closed above high. So make sure you use the weight method. Yeah, weight method is the best, but I'm telling you. Market maker model SMT for inverse fair gaps all you need. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm still very bullish. I want to see this 5-minute hold. So right here, we have SMT divergence between ESN and Q. Right here, SMT divergence. We came down, tapped the 5-minute. We came down, inverse gap. I'm very bullish still because we never swept out a higher time. We never tapped a higher time frame fair value gap, and we went for external range. I want to see internal range liquidity, right? So I'm going to go ahead and probably just move my stops right here and target these highs. But like I said, I'm going to trail my stop as soon as we take out this external range. The same thing. Okay, I'll show you guys. Let's go place an order here. Place an order here. Okay. Hopefully it doesn't stop us out. Because look, we went from external range to internal range. So we should seek higher. Okay. Okay, hold on. We're stopped out. But I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. We could sweep out these lows. Do we have a higher time frame? Actually, I think we're gonna sweep out these lows here. So could we go short? Yeah, that's what we're at. I lost, and it happens. We just inverse this gap. We swept out all of this sell side liquidity. Could we potentially see a long? We do have this order block that we're currently in. We have an order block. We swept the sell side liquidity. I think longs here are still the move. So, do we have SMT divergence? Yes, we do. ES did not sweep it out. NQ did. We inverse this gap here. And we also created a BPR here also. So I'm just going to go ahead and long here. I want my target to be these highs and higher. One contract. Okay, okay. So like I'm looking at it, looking at price action. It looks like looks like we just inverse this gap here. Boom, inverse. Boom, inverse. That looks good. Looks good so far. Looks good so far. Looks like I want to target this high at most. Okay, so now we tapped it. We tapped this high, right? We tapped this high. I want to trail my stop. I want to use the weighting method. Weighting method. That means weighting method. That means boom. You want to trail your stop. So after the candle is swept, after we swept out liquidity, the candle that swept out liquidity, before the candle that swept out liquidity is the trailed stop. So right here, the candle before that swept out liquidity, which is here. So move my stops there. Trail my stop. I'm going ahead and trail my stop here. We swept out liquidity here. Technically liquidity. Move my stops here. I think that's how you do it. Yeah, that's how you do it. But realistically, I should have my stops down here. My trail, my stops down here. But we're up. We're up. Curious as to why you don't like to add multiple cons and scale out of range, etc. as highs. Honestly, I'm just not confident is all. Yo, I've been studying session profiles. Feel like it's like missing. Yo, bro, fuck. I'm struggling with speaking. Yo, bro, I've been studying session profiles. Feel like it's the missing piece. I need to start doing that too. Session profiles. What backtesting website is this? This is FX Replay. So, was my bias correct? I wanted to go longs. I want to see these highs get swept. The blue lines that get swept also. That's my draw on liquidity. I want to see if we ended up tapping it also. Do we end up hitting our targets, our initial targets that we marked out? No, we don't end up hitting our targets. We ended up just consolidating all of PM session here. So we cut the bottom, which is great. That should add to your confidence though. Using MAQ cons, scaling out at highs, and move stuff to break even. Take lots of stress out of each trade, in my opinion. Like I said, 8:30 was the best reversal. 9:30 will be distributed to will reverse. Yes, sir. Yo, what's up, Six? What's up, brother? Skateboard. Okay. Bro, I keep getting like random ass calls, bro. It's actually starting to piss me off. Okay. I want to like keep going. I want to move fast. So, what do we do here? External range liquidity to internal range liquidity. We stopped at external range liquidity. As you can tell, we came up rejected and we're starting to displace back up. But if you look at the daily here, we went from external range liquidity. I want to see price come back down to internal range liquidity. Potentially this Ferrari gap here. Shorts do look good here. Shorts look good here. Or short bias. So, what I'm going to do is look for shorts. You guys might not agree with me, but we're going to see what happens. We could come up, sweep out these highs. We have generated sell side, generated buy side liquidity here. And if you look, we kind of have like a market maker model here, a market maker buy model here. We have consolidation here. We have consolidation kind of right here. But we'll see what happens. I'm short bias. So we're going to go ahead and go here. Waiting for the sweep. We ended up sweeping up this external high here. So now, what do I want to see? Obviously, I'm still short bias. I want to see this happen. So we inverse this gap here. Or are we going to? Okay, we inverse this gap here pretty well, and we got a potential change of state of delivery. if we get closer down here. So what do we think what's gonna happen? We swept that external range liquidity. We displaced above these highs, but this is the high I was looking at. Swapped it, not really displacement above it. And I said I was short bias, so I'm gonna stick with my short bias here and go shorts. I don't want to enter just yet. I want to see if we have any SMT. We have SMT here, but it's like a slight SMT, so it's like a kind of, it's like super improbable. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna look for SMT here. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and wait for a fair value gap here. I'm gonna go ahead and short here. Stops at this high. So we're gonna see what happens. This looks like a 7-year market maker sell model here. We tapped the external range liquidity. We're generating lows. This should be your target, these lows down here. I'm going ahead and do a sell limit. One contract only. Filled. Let this run. Got chopped. Got chopped. In consolidation here. Okay. We're stopped out. Are you profitable? I am not profitable. Was there something that I should have been looking at? I mean, we swept out external range liquidity. I was expecting internal range liquidity, which we did come back. Technically, we did come back to external range liquidity on lower time frames, which is 5-minute fair value gap here. But yeah, I mean, nothing much I can do. I'm gonna wait still. This is 10:50. I'm gonna wait. Yeah, we just started chopping here, but this is going to lunch session, so I'm just not gonna trade this. I want to see if we end up coming down to my target or down here. Yeah, we ended up dumping, but not until later PM session here. All right, let's go next day. Mark out 8:30, 9:30, and 10 vertically. Yeah, no, I want to use. I obviously want to start using midnight opening, and like it can go external range liquidity to external range liquidity or internal range liquidity to internal range liquidity. I didn't know that. I thought it was external or internal to external. The thing about internal range liquidity external is it doesn't flip back and forth. Use SMT. What time do you place trades? I usually place trades from like 9:30 to 11. Because that's what I was taught. You feel me? External range liquidity to internal range liquidity. So, okay, let's go ahead and let's go top down analysis from the daily. Or actually, from the weekly here. We're in this weekly bearish fair value gap. Let's see what happens. 4 hour. What does a 4 hour look like here? We just inverse this gap. This looks like a good model here. We swept out external range liquidity here. We inverse this gap. Shorts here look decent. I'm going to wait for either a liquidity sweep, or if after we sweep out these lows, I'll start to potentially keep looking for shorts or for shorts. But I want to see this potential fair value gap down here. So if price comes down to this fair value gap, if giving us an entry, I'm not touching it. So 15-minute time chart. I want to see price So price ended up just coming down, sweeping out all of these lows that I marked out. So what do I want to see? I want to see internal range liquidity. I want to see this low. I want to see what price does here. So we end up tapping this 5-minute fair value gap. But is it prominent? That's my problem. Is this prominent to even look to short here? Or do we wait for discount? Higher time frame? I mean, to be fair, we swept out all of this liquidity, but I want to see. We went from external range to internal range. I want to see this fair value gap here. Wait for manipulation. Because that's my problem. I always do this. I end up seeing, oh yeah, we sweep out this liquidity, but we came back to a 5-minute fair value gap. I'm short bias. I want to see price come down even more. So I end up entering here, my short position. I end up getting stopped out. I'm short biased, but I don't think this is a good short place. Short to start or place. So I'm gonna wait. Yeah, see, I'm waiting for discount. Like we're pumping. Now shorts here don't look bad now, right? Shorts here don't look bad. We're in discount. Let's see. We're in discount. Or do we wait for this order block? Is this from today? Oh, this is not from today. It's called a market structure shift. Bias. I'm short bias here. But I want to look for a short entry here. We tapped this 15-minute fair value gap here also. Tapped it. We inverse fair value gap here. I'm gonna look for SMT here. Like, this is your market maker buy or sell model here. I mean, we end up coming up, hitting a point of interest, start to consolidate, start to chop around, come down, and this is your first take profit. This is your second take profit. This is your third take profit here. Just for manipulation on the markets and UBS risk is to unusual around 4%. I got you. Okay, let's see what happens. I want to see what happens here. Let's say I want to take a short entry here and I want to there's no SMT. So I'm going to wait. It's buys, longs, short, no pre-recorded. This is not pre-recorded now. Opposite profit. This is the problem. Like, I don't know what we could do here, right? We could come back down, sweep out low, come back up, sweep out this high, and then come back down. Inverse the inverse. Okay, we're just going to wait. I'm just going to go ahead and just wait. Yeah, this is probably just best wait. So we came down, and now we created a fair value gap here. And we're also in this 15-minute fair value gap. We're in this 5-minute fair value gap and this 15-minute fair value gap. So, do we enter shorts here? Shorts look good here, right? Shorts look good here. I'll probably have my stops above right here just to be safe. I say we come down, you sweep lows, then your equilibrium. Whatever you're doing, kid. Wait for internal high. Just mark at 830, 930. Let's see. Vertical line, vertical. 830. Let me see. 930. What about it? Bro, just watch Dan downward. Hold on, let me search him up. Dan Dord MX. I'll definitely give him a look for sure. This is definitely AMD. How's it AMD? Well, we're not really consolidating here. I mean, look at today as well. It happened 8:30. 9:30 manipulate downwards to 10 distributes. Wait for internal how to get swept. Sure, that's your low time frame. The times you marked manipulation just happened. Marked manipulation just happened. This is the manipulation, right? Would this be considered manipulation? All right. I'm gonna stick with my bias, and I'm gonna go ahead and short here, and I'm gonna look to target obviously my internal range liquidity on the higher time frame. I'm short bias. Place my market order here, and then well, the thing is, we never swept out any liquidity though. That's the thing. But we did reimbalance though. Yeah, obviously I want to take partials here at this first swing low here. All right, we'll give it a try here. Respecting it so far. We're wicking very hard here. Okay. So we ran through this imbalance. Now I'm in the swing before the market shift. But dude, the RR is just not here for me, bro. The RR is just not here for me, man. I mean, let's see. Okay. Okay. I think I need to start doing the opposite. All right. Okay. If you scalp options, that would be a winner. The internal the internal sweep right there would be your manipulation to go higher. This right here, this internal. I mean, I guess. Yeah, yeah, that's fair. That's fair. This should have been my first take profit here. You're right. That's me. Okay, I'm gonna wait. This is still 10 o'clock window. I'm gonna wait here. So, same thing here. We end up sweeping out this high. We inverse this gap. Do shorts here look prominent? I don't know. We're about to see if we have an SMT. We have SMT here between ES and NQ. ES took out the high. NQ did not. We have bearish SMT. Bearish SMT. I want to see this slug get swept. Is there a way I can join? Wait, do you trade ICT? Wait for Marshall Chef or Condo Discord. Yeah, Discord's in the bio. Or Discord's in the link or in the description. Okay, let's go ahead and short here. Thing is, I don't want to wait for a market shift because we did inverse this gap. We did sweep out this liquidity. We are in a higher time frame PD array. We tapped this order block. This should look good. We have SMT at the highs. This looks decent overall. Stop. Oh my. Okay. I'll join. Oh my god, six. I need you, bro. I fucking need you right now, bro. I need you to like guide me, bro. I don't know what I'm like. I feel like I know what I'm doing, but I feel like at the same time it's like not clicking right now is all. I got my headphones ready and everything, bro. I got my headphones ready and everything, bro. Can I get a call? Yeah, let's see. Uh hold up. Hold up. I'm going to have someone get in the Discord with me and they're going to try to help me. Let's see if yeah, config join the Discord. I'll join the Discord and I will do like a private call. Oh, sorry. No, the thing is, I'm doing it live so I can get personal help, right? Let's see. Let's see. Hey, I'm in. Okay, here. Here. We're gonna do a private call. We're gonna do a private call. I think these guys in the Discord are doing something different. Wait, what's your name? Yeah, private call. What's your name? KZ and Trading. Hold on. Let's see. All right, guys. We're gonna get help potentially from another ICT fellow member trader. So, oh, why is my? So let's see what happens here. All right, give me 1 second. Go. Wait, shoot me a DM really quick. KZ or Cat or whatever the fuck your name is. Sorry, my bad. Kazin, shoot me a DM real quick. Let me see. All right, give me 1 second, chat. Let's see. There we go. Hello? Wait, hold up. Wait, I don't think I can hear you. I still can't hear you. I don't think his mic's working. Oh, he said give me a sec. Okay, guys, we're gonna see how this plays out. Uh, let's see.
Hey, okay.
Hello?
Hey, can you hear me?
Yeah, what's up, brother man? What's
What
up?
up, man? Alright, so, what up, man? What up, man?
What's up?
Okay,
What's up? What's up?
let me share my screen with you.
Okay, hold on. Can I show this to people?
Yeah,
All right, bet.
yeah, go for it.
Let's see. All right, hold on. Give me 1 second. All right, guys. Hopefully you guys can see this.
Okay, so, do you know what day that was?
That was like June 2023.
Okay, let's see. I don't think I'll be able to go back that far.
You probably can't. Yeah, it's 2023.
Yeah. Oh, it's 2023?
Yeah,
Oh,
2023.
okay, so, you said that we swept that high, right?
Your
We
stream
swept
is
the low.
paused.
Oh, I'm sorry about that,
No,
man.
no, you're good. You're good.
So, you said we swept that low, right?
Yes.
Um, and then so the bias is kind of wrong since we already swept that low. Um, that internal manipulation would actually be your entry right there because we swept that low. Um, so it's already an indication we got displacement up. That internal sweep with the SMT that would indicate that we don't need to go any lower. You place a long and put your stop at that low, you got like a what 5%, and you
Oh,
target like all like resting liquidity. You know what I mean?
correct.
So I wish I could find that trade, but yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. I mean, I guess the bias is a little bit like not there, you know?
Yeah. So the thing is, I was just I was just overall bearish. I was expecting that internal range liquidity to come get tapped, and I saw that we did sweep out that low initially, but I was just very like I guess I was married to my bias, you would say. But
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
okay, so do you want to do this? I'm gonna show you my screen,
Okay,
and we're gonna back test together. You're gonna tell me what I'm gonna tell you what I see,
okay,
and you're gonna tell me if like you would do the same thing or no. Okay, is
okay.
that
I
cool?
got you, man.
Is that
Yeah,
or do you have time for that or no?
yeah, no, for sure, bro. I got all the time in the world.
All right, bet. Okay, let's run. Are you okay? Give me 1 second. All right, we're gonna have guidance today. Let's see. Let's see right here. My bad. I don't have nitro, but okay. So let's see here.
Okay.
Uh,
So, is this just like a random?
yeah, yeah. This is a random day. This is June 7th, 2023.
Okay, okay, bet.
Okay.
So, I mean, obviously, I go to the daily. Okay. So what? Well, I mean, what? You tell me what you're seeing.
Okay. So obviously we're very bullish, right? We're overall very bullish, and we're having trouble passing this level here. So I want to go from external range liquidity, which was this technically. We have a low here and a low here. This is your high. To I want to see us go potentially lower to like this is still my same draw on liquidity here. So
Right.
I want to wait. I want to drop down to the 15 minute. As you can tell, we sweep out this high, and who knows? We could pump up a little bit more, tap this fair value up here, and then potentially dump.
Right. Okay. Um, this is a okay. Can you go to? Is this Reitman Market Opens?
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay. So, can you go to the 1 minute? Okay. So that's a pretty like that's like a death candle.
yeah, yeah. Like
So I mean,
for but for
obviously,
bullish,
right. So I mean, obviously, we're bullish right now, and we're probably gonna go up to that high. I mean, obviously, ES has equal highs to
correct?
the right there. So I'm thinking we're probably gonna go to those highs, probably form an SMT on the higher time frame before displacing down. But if you want, can you just play that? See
Yeah.
see what?
So we keep pushing up. Okay, okay. I was right. We came up to this 15 minute fair value gap, and
Yeah.
we end up.
Did NQ sweep those highs?
Yeah, let me check it.
On a higher time frame.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm gonna see.
Okay, so obviously looks like we have. Oh wait, no. Okay.
No, no, we don't. Okay,
Wait,
we
no.
don't have any
Okay, so
SMT just yet.
okay, so yeah, just keep
Yeah,
on playing it. There's no reason to take a trade now.
just wait.
Okay, still no reason. Can you go to the 1 minute on ES?
Yes.
Okay. So I mean, what?
I mean, we have SMT here.
Yeah,
We're in
yeah.
a higher time frame imbalance. I could
Okay.
look for a change in state of delivery or a what is it? An inverse fair value gap. So I'm gonna wait. Keep waiting. So we did have this fair value gap here, but it looks like we ran through this fair value gap right
Yeah.
here.
We're not showing really much bearish confirmation. It looks like
Yes.
NQ just wants to run those highs too. So
Yeah, I'm gonna wait here. Okay, so
okay.
oh,
Sorry, go for it. Go
no,
for
no,
it.
go for it.
So it almost okay. So my model kind of reflects on waiting for the internal manipulation, so I get the best risk possible. Obviously, how Justin Roland teaches it, that's kind of how my strategy is.
Okay,
So do we have like a 15-minute fair value gap?
15 minute fair. Yeah, we're in a 15 minute fair value gap right now, actually.
Like okay, but on the like bullish, do we have like a
Oh
bullish
no, no,
15
no.
minute? No, do we have
Eh,
a 5 minute?
yes.
Okay, so okay, just continue with what? Okay, you can continue.
Yeah, just the 1 minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we
Okay, so
go.
nothing happened. Not doing nothing.
Obviously, we're making lower lows.
Yeah. Okay, so it looks like we do have an SMT. I think on the those highs, on the lows. Sorry, lows.
Lows. Oh, okay. Yeah, 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 yeah. We have
Okay,
SMTs
so
here.
okay,
But didn't we just? Thing is, we're so like, I'm bearish bias going into the day. I I think I could go shorts here, but at the same time, I'm not sure. You know what I mean?
okay. So I mean, I think I kind of would know what to do, but okay. So are we in like a bigger time frame imbalance, like a bullish imbalance?
A bullish. You said a bullish imbalance.
Yeah, are we like in on the NQ?
Yes, we're in the 15-minute fair value gap right here.
Okay. What about like an 1 hour?
1 hour.
Okay,
Looks
so
like we
looks
tapped this
like we
order
also
block here, though. We tapped the order block where it's. Would this be considered an order block here?
yes, but we see the thing is we displaced to that high, so I'm leaning more towards bullish price action in my opinion.
Okay. So would you wait
Um,
for this inverse fair value gap here?
that's that. Yes,
Okay.
to run that. Yeah, that's
Okay.
what I would do.
Let's see.
If it doesn't, then I'm completely wrong. See, it doesn't look like
Yeah,
it
looks like
did.
just look
So I
like we
mean
ran through
that's
this. Okay, looks like obviously it looks like we're going to go
okay.
low.
So we're yeah, it looks like we're bearish. So now and it okay, cool. And it actually looks like there's an internal manipulation move, right? Go to the 1 minute, right there. On that 1 minute, right there.
Right here.
On the yeah. Is there an SMT right there?
Let's see. Uh,
No, not right there. Not right there.
right here.
Go to the no. Go to the sorry. Go to the right of you
The what?
and like zoom in.
I'll zoom in.
Yeah, and go to that no. Go to the right. To the right. Like I'm talking about the move
Oh,
down like we were talking about.
oh.
Yeah. Yeah. Is there an SMT at that internal high right there?
Internal high
Yeah.
at this high right here.
Yeah. Created with that high right there.
Let's see. Hold up.
And it does look like it looks like there is. Yeah, so that right there, that would be your internal manipulation to go lower.
Okay. So this would be.
So once that no, yeah, once that high, you know how it looks like we retrace back into discount.
Yep.
Wait, is there? Oh, I'm sorry. Wait, hold on. Is there no SMT there?
Uh.
No, it doesn't look like there is. Okay, cool. So I mean,
We technically have SMT here on the 1 minute, but it's like, a,
that's tiny. Yeah.
yeah, it's a tiny little SMT.
So I
But
mean, stuff like this, I wouldn't take a trade in because I don't have enough confluence yet.
confluences.
Yeah,
I got you.
because I
Yeah.
mean,
No, you're good, brother. It's just like I'm always in here. I'll text you, and if I ever have questions, I'll definitely hit you up, bro. I know it's a lot harder doing FX replay like without you touching the actual screen,
yeah.
100%. But
Um,
what was that?
can you just keep on just keep on
Yeah,
playing?
yeah, I
And
got you.
like,
Yeah, I got you.
what time is it?
It's
On the
10:17.
so I mean, it's already 8:17. What day is this?
This is Wednesday.
Yeah, usually Wednesdays are known to have shitty price action in the morning,
Okay.
and we're already past macro as well.
Yeah, but
So
we're at silver
usually,
bullet, so
yeah.
yeah,
I mean, I see the thing is I wouldn't really be touching a trade here. I mean, you can keep on going, like see
yeah.
what you think.
I'm gonna. Obviously, this is the draw. This is the draw on liquidity. I want to see price come down to this low for sure.
Okay. Okay.
Um, but it looks like we're not getting much of anything here.
Because I haven't seen no internal manipulation yet. I haven't seen no SMT, nothing to make us want to go lower. Yeah, like we're very bearish, but I just haven't seen nothing.
Yeah,
If
that's
I see
fair.
like if I see like an internal high that like gets swept with an SMT, then that's when
Yeah,
I'd
like right,
probably
like this internal high right here.
yeah. So let
Is
me
that?
keep on going.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if price ends up even sweeping out a high before we. So right here, would this be considered a high right here? Boom, sweep out this high.
No,
This
that's
is
just no,
a tiny little fair. Okay, I got you. That's fair.
yeah.
Let's see.
It's not like a prominent high.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's fair.
Wait, so there we go. It looks like that high right there.
Right here. or this one?
No. So no. That one. Go to the next one. Next one over. Last one.
Oh, this one.
No. Yeah. So keep on going. So it looks like we might create an SMT. Not
Oh,
that one. That one.
SMT, SMT, SMT. I got
No.
you.
No. 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 No.
This one.
The left one. Nope.
This one.
Left one. Nope. Because that's
Left
not
one.
prominent.
This one. Oh,
Nope.
this one.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes. Because
oh,
that's
shit. I'm
that's
I'm
two
actually
prominent highs.
blind. I'm actually blind. I'm actually blind.
No.
Okay.
No worries. No worries. And it looks like we might have like a 15-minute.
Okay. Give me. So we could have SMT here. I'm gonna wait here. Yes, we're gonna be tapping into a 15-minute fair value gap right here also.
Okay. Cool. And what time is it?
It is 10:40 or 11 o'clock.
Okay, so I mean that's enough. That's like 850 to 910 macros. So I mean, see what happens. See what price does.
All right. Let's see if we end up getting SMT here.
Okay, is that the SMT right there?
No, not yet, not yet. We did not. We haven't swept it out yet.
No. Okay. Okay. Cool. Okay.
Let's see.
See, I mean, if we go lower, we just go lower.
Yep.
Nothing you can do there. But it actually does look. There wasn't.
Oh, my bad.
Technically, there's an SMT on that actual prominent high to the left of you.
To the left.
Because there actually isn't. There actually is an SMT, right?
Oh, like right. I mean, this slow right here.
No. Because that's not prominent. The high to the left of you, the high.
The high to my left, right here.
No, nope.
This
To
one.
the back. A little more. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. I
So
got
that
you.
right there. There's an SMT right there.
Okay.
So I mean, it's just showing you that price is not really efficient.
That's fair.
Obviously, we're kind of hesitating. So this gay is kind of a little iffy. I mean, but you can keep on going and see what happens.
Yeah.
But I mean, what time is it? It's already almost
It's
9:30.
It's 11:24.
Yeah, I mean, it just looks like we're consolidating. So this is just not very efficient.
Let's see.
Okay.
Okay, so we ended
Yeah,
up
and you
sweeping up
see
this high.
exactly.
I mean, it's tough, bro. I mean,
It's just not no. That would have been actually that would probably would have been my entry, but it still would have I would have gotten stopped out at break even.
that's fair. I mean, I feel like I would have entered here. Honestly, we have SMT. We have a SMT here. Yeah, we have SMT
Okay, so
here.
we do. Okay, cool. Yeah, so that
We
right
just
there,
end versus gap here also.
I would take a short right there.
Yeah.
But then you got to also look at time because it's already 9:30. We're more than likely to consolidate. But you can give what time
Yeah,
is it?
it's 11:35 a.m.
Okay, so your stop would probably be
Like,
no, it's no, not go yeah, but probably about because if we want to dump, we want to dump. We don't
right.
want to go any higher, right?
I'll probably put my
So
stops right here at this like slight order block,
put it a little just above that high.
like this. Oh,
No,
this
no, no.
high.
Yeah, that high.
Okay, we'll just go like
Because
right
you get
here.
your stop. Yeah, your stop is and just target the low hanging fruit.
Yeah,
Don't target.
this fruit right here.
No. Just probably the high the low the actual low.
Oh, the actual. Oh, this low right here.
Yeah, that would be my target right there.
Okay.
To target the low hanging fruit.
All right, let's run it.
Let's try give it a shot. I mean, if we get stopped out, you get stopped out.
That's fair.
But this here, boom. And if
Okay, so yeah, I would have taken more
There we go.
profits here, and then obviously this is still my main target. There we go.
and there you go. TP hit. Right
It's a
there.
nice trade right there. It took a while,
That
but just
I mean,
price and time just didn't align here,
yeah,
and
no, it didn't.
that's the only problem. But yeah, like I said,
Go to another day.
another day.
Yeah.
I got you. Here, I'm gonna add my friend. Is that okay if I add my friend real quick?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a fucking goat. I'm telling you, he's a fucking goat.
Yeah.
All right, 6. I'm about to add you real quick. Give me 1 second. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Fuck. How do I? Hold on. Hold on. Oh, there it is. There we go. I'm calling you 6. I'm calling you guys. Oh, thank you, Lone Wolf Libra, and for the heart and the ticket. Thank you. Yo, what's up, 6? My brother. Oh wait, I can't hear anybody. What up? Hello?
Hello?
What's up, bro?
Yo, it's good.
What's good, my boy?
Chilling.
okay, be honest with me. By looking at my back testing, do you think I had okay confluences, just terrible like?
Hold on, cause I have to. I joined through my phone. I gotta play the stream on my.
Oh, I
Yeah,
got you. I
yeah.
got you.
Asia. Oh, I was gonna say yeah. Share screen.
Yeah, yeah, my fault, my fault. Here. Oh, my voice six is back, bro. I missed you, bro. Oh, he muted himself.
Can I give you a little tip?
Yeah, yeah, of course, bro. Go for it.
Okay, so with SMTs, like this is just like kind of advice. I mean, you can take it how you
Yeah,
want.
yeah.
Like
Obviously,
not,
I'm. Just be honest with me, bro. You got it.
yeah, I got it. But with SMTs, it usually has to be a prominent high in what an area you already expect to disrespect.
Oh, correct.
So just a little tiny wick, it's usually not going to.
Be as effective.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah,
Because with prominent highs, I mean, obviously, you know,
yeah.
it's
No,
a
that's
lot
fair.
more.
You want to have an SMT a PD array or
Yeah,
some or in a higher time for PD array, and then potentially look for your model in that higher time PD array. Yeah, I sometimes I struggle with that. I'll like find like a random ass fucking high or low, and just say,
yeah,
oh yeah, there's SMT here. You know what I mean?
exactly,
But
exactly. Like, just you're looking for opportunity that's not there. You know what I mean?
yeah, yeah, yeah. That's
Um, yeah. So like with like the with that, you see that big
oh shit, my bad.
you go to the one minute again,
Yeah,
and then just that black candle right to the left of you, that
this
big
one.
one. No, no,
Oh,
to
this one.
the yeah, that one. So I mean, like with like SMT, it wants to, you have to make it prominent.
Can you go to the 1 hour real quick?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, we just tested an order block that's nested within the mitigation block. So can you mark out the order block, the two down close candles?
Yeah. Just the body or like this.
Yeah, go to the M1.
Like for
Okay,
okay.
so you
Oh
see how there's SMT between ES and NQ,
yes.
and you see how we fail to go into that liquidity void that's below the current market price.
I would take a long right here.
Yeah, because we
Yeah,
all
we like we failed to go in there, so I would have just entered long off of the
Yeah, same here.
inversion for value gap.
yeah.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah, and then just
my
target the high.
Oh wait, actually, you know what? I don't want
Um,
to enter like right now because it's too soon. Wait, just go on the H4 or H1 real quick.
H4.
Okay. Um.
now we have room to see. We have room to
Yeah.
go
Wait.
up
Hold
too.
on. Go down to the M1. Actually, you know what? Go to the M5. Actually, I want to see what M5 says.
Now we have no reason to go lower. We this is
The only
place
problem I
on,
have.
bro.
Oh, my bad. Go ahead.
No, no, go for it, man.
The only thing I have
Sure,
problems is it's 9:30 opening, so it's like it's super
that's
volatile, right?
perfect.
We just
Perfect.
I just don't know if we're
Yeah,
gonna
you
go
know
up or
what?
down.
You can place the entry. I mean, why not?
But
But the thing is,
I,
it's like if you go back on the H4 real quick, like I think go to the M15. I think that's
we
the
have
beginning stages of a market maker buy model. Like I think we might go to go to the H4 again. Yeah, so my target would have been that sell side imbalance, like the
This
big CB or CIBI.
yeah, this right here.
Yeah, so that would
um.
have been the target. Yeah, so go back to the M1. But the thing is, it's like I don't, cause like
But okay, so with this thing, okay, so that's a news candle. With news like that,
Oh yeah, right here.
yes,
See, yeah.
that's a news candle. With on these days when you have news candles that big, there is more than likely that prominent low is there's more likely going to be an SMT, and there's going to be a daily objective. That daily objective is your that high right there or more.
Or this
So
high right here.
price is already going to go in the draw of liquidity no matter what. So you could place a long right here and then just have your stops probably like right at that low and you boat. I mean, yeah, it's not like much, but I mean,
Uh, like
there's no
like
there's no reason for price to go lower.
this is the drawn liquidity though. That's I want to see price come up here.
You can yeah. You could totally
Yeah,
like
I want to see
we
price
run
come up here, but it's just really risky entering like as soon as market opened. You know what I mean?
So why don't you just wait for the formation of a breaker and then enter?
That's fair. Yeah, that's fair. Okay, I'm gonna wait here.
So just wait for the formation of a breaker.
Okay.
And see, we already took
We already took this little level buy side. I'm gonna wait here.
Okay. Okay. Now just enter there
Enter here.
because we already tested that breaker. Okay. Now just let it run.
See, that's
That
risky.
would hit SL.
That's just risky. See,
I knew this was like the. I mean, we maybe we could have waited for this low, but I mean, I think I would have taken the same like this entry because we looks like we came back down, tapped this inverse fair value gap here, this BPR or this inverse fair value gap here. We respected it. That could have been your entry, but it looks like it played out fairly well. I mean, this is the target or my draw liquidity
I'd
here.
still be convinced like the next day is still going to be a continuation of the bullishness just because of that 4-hour sell side imbalance. Like, I honestly think price might go up and fill that in. So
that's fair. Okay. We're still in 10 a.m. I'm gonna play this out really quick. We already hit.
if we already hit daily objective, we're just gonna consolidate. It doesn't. What day is it? Thursday.
Yeah, Thursday.
And we're already past 9:50, 10:50. Sorry, yours.
Macro.
Yeah, 9:50, 10:10 macro. So we're probably more likely just to consolidate.
Consolidate here.
On news like on days like these when there's a big ass news candle, there's gonna be an S&T into the 50% of the range, obviously with an order block, and you target you wait for the inverse and then boom. I could literally I could show you like right. Can I share my screen real quick?
Yeah, go for it. Let's see.
Can you see me?
Yeah, I see it.
Okay, so actually, let me what was last Friday? Let's see, where's Friday at? Right here. Okay, I feel like probably a lot of people took this trade because it was so dumb clear. But if we go right here, and then we go to 750, 10. Is this it? 709. Was it Friday?
Are you talking about that? Friday. Oh yeah, hold on. Go ahead. My fault. My fault.
Okay, so believe. Oh, wait, let me go to my notes. Hold on. Sorry, I'm like lost here.
Oh, you're good, brother. What's up? Josiah probably picked him up.
I don't mind. All right. Let me get my ES. Okay, so.
I know. Hold up. I'll fix it later. Give me 1 second.
I would go to my journal, but I'm too lazy right now.
Hold up.
So Friday.
Hold up. No, don't come in here. Hold up. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay, go ahead. My fault.
Like, yeah, I don't even remember. I don't even know where I took the trade at.
Oh, you're here, brother.
Hey, actually, no, I got you, bro. I got you here. Perfect. Okay, so right here. Okay, right here. So this one right here. Okay, so this was it was Thursday. That's why. I'm sorry.
No, you're good. Let's see it.
Okay, right here. Okay, so this is a big ass this is the news. This is the news candle. It comes out. I don't know what news this is, but honestly, every single news day, I've actually kind of learned this. You're gonna have a big ass candle. Price is gonna come back down. We're gonna form SMT, and we've done everything we needed to do because we've come back to 50% of the range of this one right here, 50% right there. We respected the 15-minute, the 30-minute fair value gap, and then run off this I took this trade too, but right off, I don't know if you remember this.
Yeah, and I think I actually took the same trade.
Yeah, like it.
Yeah,
Because it was so dumb clear.
it
You know
was
what I mean?
dumb clear. It was picture perfect, man. There was it.
Like shit. Exactly.
Yeah,
Like shit like this, dude. This is what you wait for. It's
yeah,
just this perfect shit right here.
yeah. But that
It's like,
that that was a really nice short. I held it to that high up there.
yeah, I was because like I saw the standard deviation, but I just took the low hanging fruit and went to the gym. I just took this high because like, well, I was up like
Yeah,
three thousand
same.
dollars.
Yeah, literally, I was up like $2,000 off two contracts, bro. It was
Yeah,
picture perfect clear.
like just shit like this, bro. This is what you like dumb. This is like dumb clear shit right here is what you wait for. You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
And like, um, what did you take this trade in the morning today?
I actually was in the opposite position, but
Really?
but I ended up uh
Yeah, because we formed
yeah,
SMT
I
yesterday.
saw that we formed SMT at the lows, and because we obviously whenever as soon as we broke above that bearish fair value gap, I was like, okay, look, we have SMT at the lows. We're not going any
Yeah.
lower. I manually exited my position as soon as we closed above it. So
Right. See, the thing is, price went straight fucking up. There was no internal manipulation here. That's why I didn't
yeah,
take any trades this morning.
it was just
No,
it was very choppy this morning. And then I took a short late or PM session. I won that down move right there.
is it right here?
No, the next one.
Mhm.
Wait, no, not that one. It was the next one, next short move.
This one?
Other one, next one. Yeah, that move down there.
Oh, really?
I entered off that fair value gap right there. Or the big I don't even know honestly.
I don't think there was no SMT right here, was there? Was there SMT right here?
I don't think I looked at SMT at that time. Yeah, I think I took a short there somewhere, held it to those low hanging fruits in that kind of
Oh, okay.
external low right there. But take that small little short and then
Yeah.
called
Okay.
it a
I
day.
see what you mean.
But yeah, I mean, today's morning was tough as fuck. So
Yeah, it's just fucking no news Monday. You know what I mean?
yeah, it was just tough, bro. There's nothing really you can do about it.
Um. So, like, what do you think you could like work on? Like, what is like your main like?
I like mm, just I feel like understanding price action is still like kind of hard for me. Because I feel like
Right.
if I'm able to understand price action a lot, I feel I'm like I've gotten better, obviously, but I feel like what I can improve on is basically just reading market structure and stuff like that, and that obviously just takes time. But
Yeah.
just
Yeah.
reading market
Exactly.
structure overall and knowing when to switch my bias and knowing when to just overall, yeah, just switch my bias because obviously I feel like I have like majority of the time I feel like my bias is incorrect. If I'm being completely honest, but
The thing is, it's like if you can just
give me 1 second. Actually, I'm gonna close my door real quick.
somehow manage to increase the accuracy portion of the direction that you're trading in, it's like I don't understand why like setups will be hard to find like according to profiles like consolidations and trending conditions. But the thing is, it's like to like here's one thing, and this is one issue that I faced at a similar point where I was in my journey where you are right now.
Right?
I think it's because out of fear of like not wanting to touch the higher time frame.
Like scared to go on it.
Yeah, because the thing is, I don't ever see you really touching the higher time frame. Like the highest I see you go is like the H1.
I
Yeah, I agree. But you had to zoom. You got to zoom out.
like when people tell me to zoom out, I zoom out, but then I'm like there for my bias. I'm looking at the PD arrays, and then I somehow just manage just taking a trade because I
And
FOMO.
bro, one more big problem that you have that I noticed, and it's like, and this isn't, well, it kind of is a bad thing, but the thing is, it's like you buy in premium and you sell in discount.
That's true. I get told that a lot, like a lot, and like I think the reason why I even do that is because sometimes like we'll be like so close to hitting this level of sell side or buy side? Like this, like for example, this morning. Um,
Dude, I had the same problem, and the only way to really fix that is to like sit on your hands. And like it's easier said than done, obviously,
yeah,
because
yeah,
like realistically speaking, bro, it's like 99% of trading is just waiting. Like you're not gonna be pushing the button all day. You know what I mean?
yeah, yeah.
Like, you're
Yeah.
just looking for that one setup. Like you execute, you manage, and then you pretty much take whatever profits you get. Or if it's stop loss or break even, then that's the trade. But the thing is, bro, it's like I don't necessarily think that you need a bias because I know people that like use models without a bias and they're pretty profitable. But
Correct.
the
Yeah.
thing is, it's like, yeah,
Sorry. Go for it.
no, it's fine.
I was just low key agreeing with you, like, because I don't
Oh yeah,
I don't have a bias either. I go into the day and I'm an observer of price and what it tells me.
yeah. The
But
thing is, it's
continue.
if you want to build like your own no bias model and you want to do it on your own, because the thing is, like realistically speaking, like most of the no bias models on YouTube, like I'm not doubting that they, I'm not saying that they can't work. I'm just saying like if you want to build a model, it's best to do it yourself. And here's what I would do. Like, can you guys go to like one of the intraday charts for NQ or ES for today?
Y-
Like right here.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
I'm not.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah, okay. So you see like the inception of every price move, like just mark out every single the intermediate term high and low that gave a rally higher or a decline lower. Any high or low that was pretty much the inception of the expansion taking place, and find out why that happened. Just like uh what's the word for it? The shit's on my tongue. Uh reverse engineer it is what I'm trying to say, and then you'll pretty much be able to find like reoccurring patterns. You can just build the model with that alone.
I
It's gonna
got
take
you.
some work.
Yeah, it just I obviously liquidity, breaker structure, fair value gap, inverse fair value gap, SMT. That's obviously what I look for my entry. But like this morning, for example, like this morning, I saw that we had an SMT at the lows, in the very morning, and I saw that price came back up to the 5 minute fair value gap, and I was like, okay, look, we're very close to the slow. We could come up and take it because I'm overall like just bearish overall, and I was expecting that low to get swept. So
Dude, I feel like I've seen Kaizen trading before, bro. Do you have a YouTube channel or?
I think actually there's another Kaizen trading. He's on
Yeah,
TikTok.
because I was looking at the color theme. I was like, I've seen this guy before. Yeah, I probably got the
Nah,
wrong person.
nah, bro, that's not me,
Yeah, but
bro.
yeah, like yeah. Sorry, go on.
Um. So I watch your live streams quite a bit because like when I'm done, I'm like, fuck it, I'm just gonna go to YouTube.
yeah, yeah.
I notice your stops are very in our in particular places. They're 30%, and there's no need for that because when price wants to move, it's gonna move. It's not gonna go back down to where you don't want it to go. So if price is going to your like TP and you're like, all right, cool. If we reverse this inverse this fair value gap, I think it's all right. But I mean, there should be no reason for price to go lower. So with your like your stop loss, I feel like it's too big of a stop
It's
loss,
too
and it
big.
makes your yeah it makes your RR kind of. And I don't know. You can correct me if I'm wrong. I get 6. You can correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know if you've like noticed that, like
Um,
his stops being just like.
yeah, your stop loss placement is kind of random, but the thing is, it's like for me, I don't like. I kind of do the same thing, except I have like a fixed stop loss. I have like a fixed because I don't really trade indices. I trade mainly EU and GU. I just have
Oh,
a
okay.
fixed stop loss of like usually 7.5 to 10 pips. So it's usually around there.
Okay, yeah, yeah. I mean,
But
that's yeah.
the
I
thing is,
usually.
like, if you want to be more like systematic about where you place your stop loss, you can just look like find, or well, not find, but mark out the entry price that you have, and uh, any sort of fair value gap or liquidity pool that's below it, that can be your SL.
Okay.
Because realistically speaking, if the market is going to go down there, uh, number one, it's obviously going to go down to take liquidity. And obviously, this is me assuming that you're taking longs. You just do the opposite for sells, or it's going to look to rebounds. And if it doesn't do one of those two things, it's obviously going to continuously move in the opposite direction and put you at place your entry. Or I don't know if you guys remember, but in 2022, or sorry, not 2022, 2023, he had introduced the this thing where it's like you put your stop loss below the third opposing PD array.
Yeah,
Because
yeah,
if that third opposing PD array gets violated, then that trade is pretty much going to get fucked anyways. So
Yeah.
that's like a systematic way to do it. Like if you want to go down that route, but I personally don't like that. I just use a fixed stop loss.
okay. Because whenever I put my stop loss, I'm just trying to give it a little breathing room. Yeah, it might seem random, but I'm just kind of giving it a little breathing room, and I'm trying to catch like potentially try to catch the whole move. But I probably shouldn't be doing that. But
Yeah, it's
I
let's
mean,
see.
like I don't see why you can't do that. But the thing
Well,
is, it's like I think the main thing that you have a problem with is just context, just market context. Because the thing is, like, and this doesn't just apply to you; it applies to everyone. Like, if you can just somehow get better at directional bias, like, I don't see why you can't bump up your hit rate by a good 20-30%.
yeah, I feel like that's my problem. Like I just don't know when to switch my bias. I just don't know if it's like a fake out move, or I don't know if it's just like you know what I mean.
Yeah.
I struggle with that. And I know I struggle with that. And it's like something I'm trying to like fix, but I don't know what I can do to fix that. Is what I'm saying. Like sometimes like
um,
oh go ahead.
sorry, go for it.
No, go for it. I was done speaking.
Oh, okay. So you got a 150K platform what, like 3 days ago? I remember seeing on.
Around there, yeah. Last week.
Okay, and you blew 3K like that. Like it was gone like that in one day. Why do you think that is?
Wow, that
Why,
just saying that out
why
loud just hurt, low key. Wow, that's
I'm trying. I'm trying to help you though. I'm trying.
yeah, no, you're good.
Yeah,
Now that you said, it, I'm
We're
like,
not.
damn, what the
We're not.
fuck? 3K in 3 days
Yeah,
is
like
crazy.
well,
we're not here to like rub it in or anything.
No,
yeah,
We're
no,
just here to
just hearing it out loud is like, damn, what the fuck? What did I do? You know what I mean?
yeah, because bro, I'll be honest. It's like when you like, I remember it was last week. You were like, okay, Monday I'm gonna buy the challenge.
Right.
Or was it the week before that? I can't remember.
It
But
was like, yeah. Go ahead.
but bro, when you uploaded that video, and bro, I'm fucking sorry, but I'm laughing.
I looked at you. I was like, this boy already blew his fucking account.
Nah, because it's like I fucking look. Nah, bro, it's like how can you not laugh though?
No.
Like, but like,
Sorry, go ahead. My bad. I'm like, that's funny as fuck. My fault.
bro, I fucking saw the video upload, like how I lost like 3.5K in one day, and the thumbnail was just like this guy smiling. I'm like, what the fuck, bro?
That shit was funny, bro. Nah, I felt bad. I was like, damn, bro. I've
Nah,
spent
bro,
over
I
twelve
felt
hundred
bad too.
dollars.
Nah, bro, I felt bad too. But I'm like, what did you do to get into that fucking predicament? Like,
So what did you
I
do?
was
What,
more.
what what did you do wrong in that day to get
Hold on. Let me go back to that video because I honestly completely I remember
And
posting
then
that video, but
bro, the first comment I see, oh, you were my liquidity. I'm like, what the fuck? Like
you're
how? No, but the thing is cool. It's like look, bro. It's like these things. I'm telling you right now. When you make it, you're gonna look back at those videos and you're gonna be laughing at them.
oh yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
100%. Let me let me
And I'm sorry for having to laugh, but the thing is, like,
no, you're good, bro.
that's just like the human side of me. It's like,
Yeah, bro.
and
Yeah.
honestly, like, I'll be honest, like, that's not anything to be ashamed of because I've been through those days as well, where it's just like, those days where it's like you think it's gonna be a good day, but the thing is, you're just so impulsive and your risk management is just so off. You just take random ass trades. That's what it
Yeah.
was.
Let me it was it negative 3K? I'm trying to find it, bro. I'm trying to look. I'm just going to give it like a quick look really quick.
It's like one of the last few uploads.
Oh
It's like
yeah,
how I lost, like, yeah.
wait, let's see. I think it's this one.
If I remember right, I think your stop loss was just absurd. And you're risking 2 contracts too. I mean, that's two.
No, because I was really confident in that trade. Oh, I think I know what you're talking about. Oh, it's this one. I think I know what you're talking about. I was really confident in the second trade. I thought I was gonna do good today, honestly, or that day. I felt really good, and let me see. Yeah, no, I was really confident in the second trade that I took, so I was like, okay, I'll go ahead and go 2 contracts. I was really confident because we were bouncing a 15-minute fair value gap. I was bullish bias. Um, everything looked perfect to me. Like we inversed the fair value gap. We displaced. I was like, okay, this looks amazing, bro. And then I just took another after that, and I was like, fuck. But I don't know. It looked good. The second trade looked good.
One thing that you can do is just like set a certain rule where it's like, okay, I'm only going to take like 2 trades a day or 3 trades a day, and obviously manage your risk based off of that. Like, don't risk 1% if you're taking, or if your goal is to take around 3 trades a day, because then you can lose 3% like that, and it's only going to take like what 3 or 4 days to just blow the account. So
Okay.
it's like, like my thing is this: it's like when you're actually taking these challenges. I'm assuming they don't have like a limit for Top Step as to like how many days you have to finish it within.
Just a month.
Okay, so here's the thing, right? Um, try to. You're not doing like the e minis now, right? Like you're on the micros.
Yeah, I'm gonna start doing like half a lot. So like five, five, 5 to 6.
Yeah. So yeah. So just take like 1 or 2 trades a day, and actually, you know what? I'll actually advise you to like open up your stop loss a bit. Like trade 1-to-ones for now. Like you don't have to go for like multiple R trades.
Yeah, because obviously, whenever I try to catch like the full move. Like
Just take the low hanging fruit. Take
yeah,
like the
low
top
hanging
move.
fruit. That's always a good stop loss. Like I mean, not stop loss, a good take profit area. But you're right. I should have just went on micros, bro. That whole week was just a mess for me, at least. But
I mean,
It
it's
happens
not
to
it's
everybody,
not that
honestly.
big of a deal. Like as long as you learn from it, but
yeah,
at the same time, it's like, bro, like I'd advise you to like at least like not like rush the process, but like at least try to pace yourself too. You know what I mean? Because
yeah,
the years are well like halfway done.
Just don't be don't become outcome oriented. You know what I mean?
yeah. Like I think that was it. Like I was so like, okay, I'm gonna get funded. I'm gonna do this. I was just like thinking about like all the things I could do after I'm funded. But to be honest, like if I'm being completely honest, I was just trying to like pass it as fast as possible because
Because you're focused on the money.
yeah, I want to get funded. I'm just so like I'm like fuck it. Like I back tested this strategy is like great, and I lost one. It's completely different from back testing versus like front testing. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah, 100%.
So I was like fuck it, like because on FX replay I'm able to just like click the pause button right, and it just goes fast as fuck. But whenever you're like live testing, you're like you have to actually sit there and like fucking like just sit there and wait. You know what I mean? So it's like completely different, but yeah.
Your strategy works. It works. I see you win, but when I see you lose, it's it's bigger than what you win because you've taken 3 trades and your stop loss is just
Wait,
absurd. And
I actually got an idea right now. Um, based off of what you just said, why don't you backtest that same model you use? Do it like 300 to 500 times, and for all the losing scenarios and all the winning scenarios, write down the distinguishing factors between the two, so you can at least focus on the trades that have the characteristics of a winning setup in comparison to the losing one, even though the model's the same. But remember, not every trade is going to be the same.
Okay.
um, did,
Like, you get what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, like just like kind of like compare and contrast a little bit.
Yeah,
Like
yeah, exactly. So like you would obviously narrow your focus down to the winning trades and the characteristics behind those trades, even though the model's the same. But the losing positions, you look at them and you'd be like, okay, this is a list of what I essentially have to avoid, and you pretty much avoid pressing the button within those conditions.
Okay.
It's like doing the opposite pretty much, whilst keeping the same system or model in place.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, I got you. Yeah, just see. Like, are you trying to say like see why I lost? Like what? Like
Yeah, exactly. Like, what were the factors behind you actually losing that trade? Like, why did you lose?
okay. I guess. Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
it's pretty easy to, you know, figure out why you want to trade. Obviously, it's because you followed your rules.
Yeah.
But the thing is, it's like if you can just fine tune that system, that strategy, that model that you have right now to only, high probability setups, I think you'd be able to bump up your hit rate from like 40% to at least
60.
the low 60s.
Yeah. Yeah. Because like my only problem is like I feel like I don't know how to describe. I know what I know what it is. I just don't know how to describe it. Like it's like I just don't know if if it's a fake out or not. Like I just don't know. You know what I mean? Like you know what I mean?
Like, do you mean
like come to think of it, yeah. Sorry.
No, go for it, man. Go for it.
No, that's fine.
I was just gonna say you like fake out when you place your you see your SMT, you see your internal manipulation, and you place your your long, and
Yeah, like we get an inverse value gap and everything. I mean, we're in a pit.
you get fucked.
Yeah,
Is that
and
what you mean?
yeah,
Fake
like
out?
yeah. I just don't know if I'm gonna get like. I just don't know how to. I can't spot a fake out.
But you saw everything you wanted to see.
Yeah.
You took your setup. You followed your rules. Green day. Journal it and go on with your day. Go on to the next day. Do it again. One trade a day, bro. Just because you're doing everything right. Like you took your setup and you got stopped out, and that's all right. Just go into the next day, do the same thing, journal it. If you win, you win. If you lose, you lose. It's it's all about your mindset and your
How you come forward after losing.
exactly.
Yeah, hell yeah. And bro, I think even though we talked about this previously, I honestly do think like the live chat within the live streams, they do have some sort of impact on your psyche.
Yeah,
100%.
yeah. Like I tried to like obviously brush it up, but obviously in the back of my head, I'm like, okay, yeah, like maybe he's right. You know what I mean?
Yeah, for sure. But the thing is, like I said, it's like I'm not saying you have to drop live streaming.
Yeah.
I'm just saying like if you are gonna live stream, like first and foremost, like just keep in mind that like the people that do live streams, especially when it comes to trading, like I can understand why, but most people are only there to grab sentiment. You know what I mean?
Sentiment like grab like.
Yeah, bro, they're gonna fade the shit out of you. Like I remember, like, bro, realistically speaking, the only guy that can actually get away with live streaming and being able to actually teach is Michael himself. Everybody else is like, I think they're just doing it for uh,
Mentorships
kind of
and
like the entertainment side of things. But the thing is, it's like realistically speaking, it's not fun watching somebody else lose money.
Yeah.
it's not. It's really not. But
Are you on social media? Do you like have other like people that like these big ass fucking trading gurus that just win and like a bunch of some money?
me?
Yeah.
Obviously I'm on social media, but it's like I don't. When I see people win big, I'm just like okay, whatever.
Okay.
Next, like
So
I'm not like oh my god, what did he do correct that I did wrong? Like I'm not like that. I'm just like oh he
okay,
won,
cool.
work. Like Colin Jones.
Oh, bro, I hate him so much.
Oh really?
Yeah, that guy's a dickhead.
Yo,
No, the
he
thing,
fucking sucks at trading.
dude, I was in his Discord like for the longest time for like 6 months, bro.
Does he sell anything now or?
Yeah, Colin
he-
Jones, the one that looks like Mr. Beast a little bit, glasses. I'm talking about the right one.
Wait, what?
Colin
Yeah.
Jones.
Oh, yeah. Because what's funny enough, when I first started trading, I went to his Discord and I lost about $3,000.
Yeah, Wealth Empire. Yeah.
Huh?
Wealth Empire.
Yep. I lost like $3,000 following
Yeah.
the signals.
Yeah. Wait,
Yeah,
Six. Do you know him?
I don't think he looks like Mr. Beast.
Well,
It's,
it's
what's that guy's name? The Iman Yeah,
I've been trading. Or
Oh, I'm on Gonzi. I'm on
yeah,
Gonzi.
yeah,
yeah,
that guy.
yeah,
He looks like
Yeah, he does look like that guy. He does look like
he
that
looks
guy.
like a hybrid between him and Mr. Beast. But bro, I literally like I have a burner account on YouTube because I
yeah,
consume this
yeah.
guy
That's fair.
with a fucking passion. I literally sometimes just go on his YouTube videos and his shorts, and I just talk shit because I
On
like.
Colin?
Here's the thing, right? Yeah, yeah, the Colin Jones guy,
Yeah,
the Wealth Empire thing,
Yeah.
the shit that he runs. But honestly, bro, here's my take on like trading gurus and like marketers. That lifestyle that they're living, bro, which you quote unquote see on social media, it's just a smokescreen. Like none of that shit is real. It's just a fucking illusion. It's not real.
Do you ever see? Do you see his trade recaps? His losses are bigger. His losses are more than what he wins. He only posts his wins.
Yeah, I know. So like I'm like the like I don't want to be that guy, but like I feel like I'm like really one of the only ones that kind of just really post their losses and their wins, and like that's why I keep streaming. That's why I keep like doing like trade recaps. Like I'm just trying to show like the real side of everything else instead of like all like the fake gurus and shit. But no, I have never. I don't really watch his videos.
Bro, cool. Remember, you still have about what day is it now for the thing?
For what?
The videos that you're doing, the day, 50 out of like
Oh
1,000.
yeah. I still have those to go on.
What
Yeah,
day are
I'm
what day are we
60,
at right now?
60, 60.
Dude, we're not even at 100 days yet, so you have a lot of time. But the thing is, like, you also have to take this into account. You're only 2 years in, right? Like a lot of people, they don't see progress until they're like, third, fourth, maybe fifth year. So
Correct.
it's gonna take some time to actually like find your groove. You know what I mean? And you shouldn't really rush things. But I honestly think that like these live streams, etc. Which I'm not saying you should stop entirely, but I think it's causing you to be stagnant with your progress because you're too fixated on one thing, and which is that one thing that you're using right now, which is your model, and you're using that to attempt to get funded. But I think if we just took a break from live streaming, right? I'm not saying to stop entirely. I'm just saying just take a break. Obviously post YouTube videos so you can still, have people watching your content. But the thing is, like, take a break from live streaming for like 2 or 3 weeks and just,
Just strictly focus on like actual like trading.
I completely agree.
Just like
I completely agree.
strictly focus on like chart work. And when I say chart work, I mean just go to the charts. Just bro, like here's the thing, right? And here's the painful part, and this is the part where like a lot of people they just avoid doing it. But you have to like bleed your eyes out in front of the charts.
Oh yeah.
Like I remember in 2022, dude. Uh, I was literally bleeding my eyes out in front of the charts every single day. I think I've watched every single video in core content and the 2022 mentorship about 3 or 4 times each because I was so fucking, what's the word? I had this feeling where it's like I'd miss things on the first try, sorry, the first watch, and then the second watch. I had to go back and redo my notes about 3 or 4 times, and then after that, and doing not necessarily like back testing, but like actually reading the tape and actually writing down what I saw. That's where I saw the most progress, and that's the shit that nobody wants to do. So I suggest like doing that.
Okay.
And I'm not really gonna sit here and like guarantee you that it's gonna work. I'm just saying that's what worked for me. You remember those zooms that we've done previously
Yeah, of
about
course.
just like the bias and narrative, and then that call that we had on the Discord server.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm telling you right now, all that stuff that I learned was from literally just reading the tape.
The 2016 core content tape.
Sorry, say that again.
The 2016 core content. Or you're talking about
No. All that stuff that I showed on those zooms and those calls on the Discord, that was just from you know, journaling my experiences. That's about it. Obviously, it was derived from the core
Yeah.
content of the 2022 mentorship. I just, I just gave it my own twist. That's about it.
Okay.
Usually, my model just consists of like internal manipulation.
Like it's
I don't like taking random fair value gaps because it's just I don't know. I've experienced in my trading career. I've experienced too much with just taking random fair value gaps or just taking a random 5-minute fair value gap. I usually like waiting for that internal SMT.
Yeah, that's fair. Yeah, those are nice too. Like I used to be in Justin Werland's Discord for a while, and I still lost a lot of money. But it,
Wait, Stu, is your live stream still on?
yeah,
Oh, okay. I can give you something that you can use.
like
And
what?
it's probably gonna help.
Actually, can I? What can I call you? I don't know. What's your name?
My name?
Yeah.
They call me Daddy for short.
Daddy?
No, I'm
Alright.
just I'm just
Cool. Actually,
It's cool.
Okay, cool.
Cool. Just do me a favor. Can you just end the live stream real quick? Because the thing is, we're not really testing right now.
Okay.
I'll show you the thing, but the thing is, like, don't give it to anybody.
Yeah, I got
this
you.
is like, because the thing is, people they don't. Just let me know once you've ended the live stream.
Okay. Okay. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna mute myself real quick, and I'll be. Give me like a minute or two. I'm gonna end the live stream, and then I'm gonna use the bathroom real quick. Is that cool?
Okay. Yeah.
All right. Give me 1 second.
Six. I have a question.
Okay, guys.
Yeah, what's up?
I'm gonna go ahead and end the live stream. Thank you guys so much for watching. I
Holy
appreciate.
shit,
Okay,
dude.
they're talking, but I appreciate everyone.
That's crazy.
The gatekeep
This
is
my first
crazy,
year.
but
Not even.
like I said,
Holy fuck.
thank you guys for watching. Other than that, I will catch you guys all.
High school.
How old are you?
He's about to
I
out,
just
bro.
turned 22.
This is sometime concept.
Are you? Do you?
No, I got you. But guys, other than that, guys, I will catch you guys all next time for sure.
I have a decent
Thank you
sized
guys for
personal,
joining.
And with that.